Welcome to today's lecture on why running a Bitcoin full node. Okay, so for we had covered a lot of things like course overview and introduction, then course objectives, then course content, then we had covered the overview of Bitcoin full node. What exactly is Bitcoin full node? Now in this lecture we'll cover why Uh, in this lecture, we will cover why running a Bitcoin full node is crucial for the health and security of the Bitcoin network. In this session, we will explore the various reasons why individuals and organizations choose to run full nodes and benefits they provide to broader ecosystem. So why run a Bitcoin full node? Let's start with perhaps the most fundamental reason, sovereignty. By running a full node, you maintain full control over your financial sovereignty instead of relying on third-party services to validate transactions and manage your funds. You become a self-sovereign participant in the Bitcoin network. Another crucial reason to run a full node is censorship resistance. In today's world, financial censorship is growing concern. Banks and governments can impose restriction on why can transact and what can be transacted. However, by running a full node, you contribute to a decentralized network that is resistant to censorship. No single entity can dictate who can participate in the Bitcoin network or what transactions are allowed. So privacy is also a significant consideration. While Bitcoin transactions are pseudonymous, they are not entirely private. By running a full node, you can use features like the Tor network to obfuscate your IP address and enhance your privacy. Additionally, you can use techniques like coin join to combine your transaction with others, making it harder to trace a flow of funds. Furthermore, running a full node enhances the overall security of the Bitcoin network. Full node plays a crucial role in validating transactions and block, ensuring that only valid transactions are accepted and added to blockchain. By running a full node, you contribute to the network resilience against attacks and malicious actors. Decentralization is another key benefit of running full node. The more full node there are distributed across the globe, the more decentralized and robust the Bitcoin network becomes. By running a full node, you have to strengthen the network's resilience to censorship, manipulation, and control by any single entity. Finally, running a full node can be educational experience. It provides valuable insights into how the Bitcoin network operates, giving you deeper understanding of blockchain technology and decentralized system. Whether you are a developer, entrepreneur, or simply curious about cryptocurrencies, running a full node can be a rewarding learning journey. So, uh, there are some more reasons like cost and warnings. Running a Bitcoin full node comes with certain cost and can expose you to certain risks. This section will explain these costs and risks so you can decide whether you are able to help the networks. For example, special cases, miners, businesses, and privacy conscious users rely on particularly behavior from the full node they use, so they will often run their own full nodes and take the special safety precautions. This document does not cover those precautions. It only describes running a full node to help support the Bitcoin network in general. Please seek out an assistance in the community if you need help setting up full node correctly to handle high value and privacy sensitive tasks. Do you own a allegiance to ensure how who you get help from is ethical, reputable, and qualified to assist you? Secure your wallet. Next point is secure your wallet. It's possible and safe to run a full node to support the network and use its wallet to store your bitcoins, but you must take the same precautions you would when using any Bitcoin wallet. Please see the securing your wallet page for the more information. So minimum requirements for Bitcoin for running Bitcoin for node. So desktop or laptop and then RAM and broadband internet. So yep. So yep. Let's move to website first. So go on techlatest.net website. Here you can see the product and support page. Here you can find about the Bitcoin full node offerings. So you can see the GCP, AWS, Azure deployment, ordinal description guide, ordinal upgrade guide. You can find about all the things that VM gives and with Bitcoin full node upgrade to latest Bitcoin, and you can find all the things why you need a full node. So you can see that all the things like enable ordinal description, increase privacy, improve security, support for the network, personal education. Pre-install setup include Bitcoin and Bitcoin GUI wallet, Bitcoin CLI, ordinal a numbering scheme for Satoshi, pre-sync ledger, remote Linux desktop, fish shell, and Visual Studio Code. So this is the pre-install setup include. Or you can use our VM. Then here you can also find about all the things on Bitcoin website at bitcoin.org. So you can see there a lot of things like and yep. Uh, that's all about this video. So I'll also tell you one thing. In conclusion, running a full Bitcoin full node is not just about validating transaction or securing the network. It's about preserving financially sovereignty, resistant censorship, enhancing privacy, contributing to network security, promoting decentralization, and fostering education and learning. By running a full node, you become active participant in shaping the future of money and finance. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you now understand the significance of running a Bitcoin full node and positive impact it has on the Bitcoin ecosystem. Stay tuned for more information content on blockchain technology and digital currencies. Until next time, keep noting for a stronger, more resilient Bitcoin.